everyone, this is Coach Julio. So many people these days have a foam roller, and if you're trying to order one from Amazon, good luck. But I'm pretty sure they're going to restock and you'll get one. So for those who do have this, I'm going to show you a couple of exercises that you may not have think of that you can use with the foam roller. Alright, so exercises on the floor. Let's focus on chest. Traditional high plank, no biggie. So here's a high plank. You can also do it with your hands underneath your shoulders. You know, if your arms are wider and your elbows point back, you can go into a push-up. So let's do that with a foam roller. The foam roller is going to create a little bit of instability, but the way I want you to focus on is for safety. Your heart's above the foam roller, your hips are up. It's one straight line. If you feel your back stop, you have to restart. So you can do a high plank. From here, we can pinch our shoulder blades, a slight bend, and those are scap retractions. Those are good for pulling you back and reversing the negative effects of sitting and computer and all that stuff that we're probably doing more these days. So I'll show you again. My shoulder blades pinch and I push back, smell the roses, blow out the candles. A progression could be an actual push-up and then down. All right, so we have that. Some of you may say, hey man, I need something a little bit more challenging. No problem, I got you covered. And if you noticed earlier, by the way, I was doing unilateral stuff, so you should always have that in your workouts. So here's a unilateral or exercise using the foam roller. And by the way, you can do this kneeling. So first thing, you can start with a high plank. Build your strength from there. This will shake. 3, 2, 1 down, and then I'm up. 3, 2, 1 down, and then I'm up. I can show you this side. 3, 2, 1 down. 3, 2, 1 down. And just to let you guys know, and everyone know, you can do these kneeling. That's good stuff.